In one's element. Being in one's element means feeling completely comfortable and naturally skilled in a particular situation or environment. The idiom draws from the scientific notion of an element, the natural components of the world, implying that one thrives when surrounded by what is natural or familiar. It is frequently used to compliment someone who appears to perform exceptionally well when in this area of expertise or passion. For example, when she was behind the camera, you could tell she was in her element and enjoying every moment of the shoot. Or, he's completely in his element when discussing complex scientific theories in front of an eager audience.